Let's come to the chapter 14, that is Up in the Sky. So, in this chapter, we will learn about the sky during the day, the sky at night, going to the moon. Let's come to the warm-up exercise. The pictures below show the sky during the day and the sky during the night. Can you spot the differences between the two pictures? Yes, there is sun during daytime and there are moons and stars during nighttime. Now, let's learn the sky during the day. Have you seen the sky during daytime? Yes, we all have seen. What you have seen? There is sun in the sky during the day. The sun, it's a huge ball of fire. It is very, very hot. What the sun gives us? The sun gives us heat and light. Without the sun, our world would have been a dark and cold place. We all cannot live without the heat and light of the sun. Have you seen when the sun rises? The sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the east direction and sets in the west direction. Now, have you seen the sky at night? What have you seen at night? So, in the sky, there is a moon and lots of stars are there. The star looks small, but they are not. They are very big in size. As they are far from us, that's why they look small. The shape of the moon looks different every night. Sometimes we cannot see moon at all. This is called the new moon. Then each following day the moon seems to grow little by little. After 2 weeks we can see the full round shape of the moon. This is called the full moon. This is the view of sky at night. Going to the moon. The moon is very far away from us. The vast sky where we can see the sun, moon and stars is known as space. So, people have to travel in a special vehicle called a rocket or spacecraft. A person who travels in space is called astronaut. They have to wear a special dress called a spacesuit. Now come to the checkpoint. Here you have to write true or false. Plants and animals can live without heat and light of the sun. Can they live? False. They cannot live. The actual size of stars is very big. True. Now come to the exercise part. Oral questions. When do you see the sun? We see the sun during the day. When do you see the moon? We see the moon and stars in the night. Come to the B. Tick the correct option. The star is a huge ball of fire. A person who travels in space is called an astronaut. The sun is very, very hot. When we cannot see the moon, it is called new moon. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun sets in the west. The shape of the moon looks different every night. The stars twinkle at night. Now answer the following question. Come to the first question. What would happen if there was no sun? If there was no sun, there would be no life on the earth. Now come to the second question. In which directions does the sun rise and set? Sun rises in the east direction and sets in the west direction. What can you see in the sky at night? We can see the moon and stars in the sky at night. Why do the stars look small in size? The stars look small in size because they are very far away from us. What does a person wear while going to space? A person wears a spacesuit while going to space. Let's come to the project idea. Look at the different shapes of the moon on different days and draw them in your notebook.